Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Discover Boss, Raymore. We're here with another exclusive, another development as well. If you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. And turn on your notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new content. Remember to like the video, leave a comment and share as well. So we're just here for a quick video. And if you want to donate to the channel so we can get some drone shots, some aerial views, we're also working on that. So we have PayPal and other options. So quite a few persons, including some of my subscribers, wanted to see what's happening for the 27 Charlton Club development. Price starting at 27 mil. It's a very narrow development, meaning that the width is narrow but the building will go very far back. I'll try to show you guys a better glimpse of the finished product on the billboard when I'm finished. You guys will also see contact numbers. The listing agency is BIC-FCIBJMKN, that's Keller Williams Realtor Company. Alright, so it's a quick review, guys, just showing you guys what's happening around the area because not a lot of work has started yet. They're just doing foundation work. We're near to Greensword, we're near to Charlton Road as well. We're a bit near to Kingston Spring Road. And just showing you guys quickly what's happening and the location. What I'll do, I'll go on the front one and show you guys a minute or two just around the corner on Charlton Road. So we have starting at 27 mil. We have 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. Completion December 2020, but I think they will never meet this for December 2020. This is more like December 2021. 24-hour security, elevator, gym, underground parking, modern design, swimming pool. And then this is the corner I'm talking, so I'll show you guys what's around the corner from here. Alright guys, so this is around the corner. I'm on the property of a wholesale. So this is Charlton Road. Alright, so just showing you guys what exists around the corner. So not a very upscale community. But it's decent enough. So this is Charlton Road. The vehicles on the left heading to Kingston Spring Road and then can also branch off down Waterloo Road as well. Then the vehicle on the left heading up Charlton Road and then up into other places like Narbrook as well. So this is a glimpse of the community around the corner. you can see the sign, Charlton Avenue, Chartwood Road. That's the intersection right here. Alright guys, if you've watched so far, remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll definitely see you on another video. Alright guys, so I was gonna end the video just now, but then I said let me just drive around the area for you guys, so you can see where the property is located. So this is the property in front of me, 27 Charlton Club. I'm just gonna drive around the area so you guys have a better idea. So we're heading on to Chartwood Road. So we're coming off Charlton Avenue onto Chartwood Road. So quite a few businesses on this road. Just past Total gas station on the right. We're getting close to Greensword. This is Gibraltar Lane. A few shops on the front here. This left turn is for Greensword Road. We're gonna go straight across and then go down Waterloo. And as usual guys, don't forget to leave your comment, your suggestion, like and share the video so the channel can grow, and so that persons that want to see these type of development and positive, positivity in Jamaica can definitely see. I know most time the media and the news is all engulfed in some of the bad things that's happening, whether it's crime, whether it's the coronavirus, but let's share the great developments that's happening as well. So we're heading towards Constant Spring Road. We're going to take the left right here for Upper Waterloo Road. So this is Upper Waterloo Road. We're heading in the direction towards Halfway Tree, direction towards Mega Mart. Around the corner is also an apartment complex we already covered. The Echelon is going to be on the right. I don't think you guys will see it, but yes, I covered this property. Let me try turn the camera a little bit. So that's the Echelon, a very nice apartment complex that they're developing. The full video is also on my channel. I'll put the link for this property on the comments so you guys can get a closer look. So we're heading down Waterloo Road. Quite a few gated communities, quite a few apartment complexes on Waterloo Road as well. Very upscale community. So Old Church Road is on the left. That will lead you back to Greensword and to Barbican Road. Then we're about to pass the Liguanea Business Center. That's on the right. And then we also have Mega Mart on the right as well. Alright, so we'll be ending the video anywhere around here, just past Mega Mart. Just wanted you guys to see the area where 27 Charlton Club is. Directly in front of us is also the Fontana Pharmacy. We did a full video on that. We went inside as well. So you guys can check out that video on the channel, Fontana Pharmacy. I think they're open about 6 months now. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the support.